And we're live. Hey guys, top of the morning. Top of the morning to you, chat. It's bright and early here in Irish Melbourne. Yeah, I'll try not to magnetic animalism. How you thought? Oh no, are you kidding me? Oh, Discord, no. Okay, yeah. Good. I thought I'd already shown it, but I haven't. Yeah. Damn right I haven't. Okay, guys. So I've just been following this tutorial on YouTube. Really great tutorial. I'm going to chonk it in the chat right now because it's so good. Really easy to follow. I've never done any Discord stuff before, so this has been really helpful. I've been following this tutorial. So now I've made it. I just quickly threw together this little bot called Leica. And if you type her name into chat, she'll say hi. So that's all you need to do at this stage. I think if you type it anywhere, you can do it any channel, she'll say woof back at you. And she's very simple. This is the code that she's part of, and this is the token that I'm going to try really hard today not to reveal to you. Very hard. But yeah, turns out Discord bot's pretty easy to make, but maybe we'll try to use ChatGPT to make the functionality a bit better. Does anyone have any like suggestions for what kind of a Discord bot we should make? Like what kind of things this Discord bot should have? I don't really know much about Discord bots, really. I don't know. Maybe we'll just make like make a simple Google search bot, right? Where you say, hey Leica, I don't know. What's you just ask it something and it'll do a Google search for you, something like that. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. I don't actually know what Discord bots are supposed to do. Let's try some random functionality. Let's say that you can get it to I don't know. I'm not really a Discord native. What do the kids do on Discord these days? We didn't have music. You're right. Maybe it'll play some music. That's actually a great idea. That's a fantastic idea. Okay, so let's just ask ChatGPT for that functionality. Again, at the moment, our functionality is just this. It just says woof woof when it's ready and active in the console, and then afterwards, it replies woof whenever you say its name. But yeah, that's a really good idea. Let's just get it to play some music. I wonder if that's possible in Discord. Play some music whenever you ask it to. Okay. So bring up Google. Got ChatGPT ready to go. Actually, maybe we can even use this one to be like a custom welcome bot. Because we've got a welcome bot at the moment and it kind of sucks. So maybe we'll create a new one that like welcomes people a bit better. No, okay. Now it's telling me how to do this. I want the code. New chat. Ah, interesting. Does ChatGPT not work anymore? Okay, cool. But this is in, I think this is in Python. We don't actually want that because we're using JavaScript. God knows why we're using JavaScript. JavaScript's like worse. Oh, hi guys. Nails Tech, make a talkie toaster from Red Dwarf. I do not know what Red Dwarf is. It sounds very nerdy. No matter what you say, it recommends toasted bread product. That's really funny. That's actually really funny. So it'll be like, ask me some questions, and then it'll always just reply with like Nazi propaganda or something. Oh, that's nice. hug Kako, and it says I hugged Kako at the end with a random gift. I guess there's like tons of things you can do, but you need to like actually have the gifts first. Okay, write this in JavaScript instead, but let's just see what the code actually looks like. If message mentions blah, 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 sure. Playing music. No, but you actually need, I wanted to actually play music. Not send the text playing music. That's crazy. That's so bad. No. Okay, I guess it won't be able to play the music, right? Because you won't. It'll be really hard. It won't have like audio access. That's the thing. Network error. Okay. Fam. Okay, we'll try again. Okay, well, it's not very happy with that. Let's just try this again. New chat, play some music, like that, which actually plays some audio whenever someone says its name. Okay, let's try that. Network error. What is this? What's going on? I'm just going to delete a whole bunch of these things because apparently it still thinks there's something going on here. Okay, so we've just gotten scaled. We've just gotten scaled, boys. Apparently, they're making ChatGPT a little bit more stringent. They're like, it seems like they're probably like, I don't know, they're like rate limiting people a bit more. Is the impression that I'm getting. Okay, so that's all just basic boilerplate stuff. We need a better welcome bot because like, you can see the welcomes here, they're pretty boring. Carlbot's just like, hi, welcome. You are the such and such member to join. I think it'd be fun maybe to like, yeah, to like play some music or like, we're rate limited again. Okay. So given that that's the case, has anyone else experienced this with ChatGPT before? I think they must have added some sort of new policy, right? They're going to make us actually pay for it, unfortunately. Like, has anyone seen any news about them updating their policy? Don't think so. I'll try reloading one more time, and if it doesn't work, then we'll just find something else to do. I just copied. Oh no, I did copy my name in there. That's fine. Again, I've literally never made a Discord bot before, so this is all new to me. Hey, Kako! Long time no see. Is it pronounced Kako or is it pronounced like Sacco or something like that? Never asked. We're in dire risk of getting rate limited over here though. Another viral wave. They're probably just limiting it, dude, because like they're gonna, you know, they're like they're not gonna want people using this for free forever. Okay, cool. Now I wonder what the hell. Okay, so this only works if it's a voice channel, and then it'll start playing stuff. Okay, sure. Let's go just add this logic and we'll see how it works. Anyway, you're like, okay, hey, Sacco. Your name is now Sacco if pronunciation doesn't matter. Okay, I don't care what this is. Okay, so if you say Leica, Okay, so this will only work in voice channel and it'll play whatever audio is on this YouTube video. I wonder what YouTube video has been chosen by ChatGPT for us today. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yep. Ah! Okay. I just got rickrolled by a robot. I don't know, like, I don't know if that's been done before. Jesus Christ. Now they really have achieved sentience, apparently. Okay, interesting. So that's good to know that we'll run into usage limits. Very good to know. And if that's the case, we might have to either cut the stream short, maybe we'll do something else fun. I don't know, we'll find a way around it. But I just got rickrolled, and maybe you can also get rickrolled. So if you say Leica, if message content equals Leica, if you say Leica in the voice channel, you should get rickrolled. That's, I think, what'll probably happen. Yeah. I'm surprised how easy that was to get me. I know. Look. I haven't committed that rickroll URL to memory. There are thousands of rickroll URLs, okay? And I did actually think to myself, I bet this is going to be a rickroll, but I didn't say it out loud, so I just actually got demolished. Okay. So in theory, this should now be working. I'm going to go to my Discord channel. You guys should be able to do this as well. And the bot should rickroll me right now. Like, maybe. I don't really know how voice channels work, to be honest. General. Can I type in a voice channel? I guess maybe there are some channels that are like voice enabled. I'll just go to general, and I'll go to the settings, and maybe we can make it like voice enabled or something. Hang on. Because it said something here. It was like, if member... Like, what's a voice channel, guys? I don't know anything about Discord. Get the voice channel the message was sent in. Like, how do you send a message in a voice channel? It seems like the voice channels just have voice in them. Maybe not? I'm in general. Can I send messages in here? I don't really know how that works. Okay, so can ChatGPT do deforum commands? What the heck's deforum again? There's a built-in chat in the voice channel. Okay, let's see if we can find that. Bot should join the voice channel. That's it. Okay, you can see the. Okay. Hang on. Sorry guys. General. Where's the chat icon, guys? Is there a chat here somewhere? I feel so fucking old right now. Ah, show chat. Cool. Okay. It says woof. Not rickrolling me, unfortunately. I'm going to get rid of this. Maybe that'll help. And we'll just say console.log rickrolling. And then we'll know if it's gone down this path, then we'll at least know where it's going. Okay, so it's back working. I'm going to say Leica again. Is this? Yeah. Okay, so it didn't say woof, which means the update worked in the code. App crashed. Oh, I love that. I love it when my app crashes. So what happened here, guys? What the heck's going on here? Bot should join. Okay, yeah, thank you. Thanks very much, guys, for helping me find that. Much appreciated. Okay, so voicechannel.join. Apparently, voicechannel.join is not a function. Okay, so that's bad. You know, seems like ChatGPT kind of maybe did a fast one on us there. Where does it even say this in the code? Yeah, okay. So let's go ahead and just ask ChatGPT what the heck that's all about. Yeah, man. It's rickrolling us. It's giving us the wrong like code. It's just taking us for a ride. Hi, Soneherd. Nice avatar thing you got there. Looks like a little diamond or something. What's the story behind that one? Blah blah blah. Wrong version of Discord.js. No, no, thank you. No, 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 no. I don't want to update the bloody library. I want, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We'll do it its way. We'll see if we're using the right version of Discord. It might just be lying though. It could just be lying to us right now. We're using 14. Okay, fine. We'll install the latest version of Discord. Honestly, I feel like it's my boss right now. Now we'll do Discord list and see. It's now still 14, you son of a bitch. We're... How to install Discord? Is it just making up a fake version of Discord? I don't believe it. There's no way. Discord.js and npm. What is it? What are we up to? Right, it's like lowercase join, you think? Dude, there is no Discord 15. Where is it getting this from? Guys, oh, it's 11.5. Okay, so no, it's just, it's out of date. It's old and out of date. So we'd have to downgrade in order to do that. You say it's channel.join is the command. As opposed, but like we've got this here, right? Like what's channel.join isn't actually the right command because it gives us that error. The bot would like you to go and make a sandwich right now. Yeah, well, it can wait. It can wait, this friggin' bot. Oh, self-creating icons is my hobby. That's an interesting hobby. I mean, it looks very good. It looks very professional. I thought it looked professional. Yeah, okay. Oh, no worries, man. Like, Stable Diffusion's sick. If you're having fun, that's like the main thing. Okay, so Discord's knowledge of the API is apparently, ChatGPT's knowledge of this API is apparently a bit out of date. So, what we're gonna do, hey, Epic, I remember you, Epic something something P_P. How should I say P_P's name? I can't just say PP, that feels bad. It ain't asking the channel ID. I'm gonna ask it one more time, and if this doesn't work, then we're just gonna go and code normally. It seems like it's just out of date. And then in the meantime, I guess we'll just have to look up the Discord API. Yeah, so it's really adamant that voicechannel.join is the right thing. It sounds like Yatharth actually knows like what's wrong here, but we don't because we've never done this. So. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, the first letters of the name just discovered sounds bad in English. That is true, unfortunately. That's one of the few things that does sound bad in English. Okay, Discord API. Okay, so we've made our first sort of failure here. ChatGPT doesn't have very up-to-date knowledge of how Discord works. And that makes sense because things are getting updated all the time. Is there like a user join? I don't know what the heck I'm looking for here. Join timestamp, .join, channel. I'll ask Google instead. The link sent to general. Yes, thank you, Yatharth. Okay. So we're using Chat Yatharth instead. That's our new AI. Way more efficient, way faster. A lot more racial slurs, but that's fine. We love him anyway. general. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Give me that link. Give me that link. On ready. Yes. Okay. Channel. Oh, okay. You have to like get it via an ID. That's kind of interesting. Okay, that's fine. So, what's the issue here? So .join is correct. I guess we just need to find what the ID is. Thank you very much, Yatharth, by the way, for unsticking us there. Okay, so let's go general. No, we shouldn't have to. Here's the thing, though, guys. Here's the thing. We shouldn't have to. We should just be. We should have the channel here. We shouldn't have to go working out what the ID is. Something in the message should tell us what the channel is, right? So it looks like he's using the right API. We're just gonna log all these objects. Message. And we're just gonna log everything. Message member. And then we're gonna log the voice. I assume that we want his voice channel, right? As opposed to voice.channel. I assume that that's the issue. Because I think .channel. Okay, we'll do voice chat voice, and then we'll do voice channel. And then we'll just log all of those different things. And then we'll just see what's going on. So we'll start. Ah! Nodemon. Yes, below 1. That we can handle later by giving external input. I see. I just want to see what this stuff is. So again, I'm going to ask Leica what's going on. And you guys should be able to do this as well, by the way. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure if you guys... Okay, so we crashed again. And again... Oh, what's this? Okay, so message.voice. Okay, that's true. That's true. That's pretty true. Where did I say message.voice? Ah, message.member. So that was just like an error by me, so guys. Okay. Woof woof, we're online again. Okay, Leica. Let's go, Leica. Crashed. But maybe we printed out. Okay, so again, we're back to the channel.join being the issue. Okay, and you see this? You see this undefined? It means that this doesn't exist. So that's interesting. And instead, the one above it is this voice. The one above it, which is like member.voice.channel. This one does exist, and this is what we're getting. It's a voice channel. Okay, so what the hell is the problem here? Okay, so I guess we can just get the channel ID here, and then we can do the thing that Yatharth was saying that we should do. Okay, so ChatGPT, it looks like it kind of has failed us here, and we're having to do this manually. Okay, so we go back to Google, we see what the thing you have to do is, which is like channel is channels, client.channels get, and then we give it an ID. And rather than passing in this, we say this.id, message member voice channel ID. And yeah, in theory, this should give us exactly what we need. In theory. No, I know we had it over the correct channel ID, but we want to make sure it's generic. It'll work for like any channel, not just like the specific one channel. You know, that's the idea. So nodemon, make sure everything's working, get the woof woof, woof woof, and Leica. And I'm assuming it's crashed again. Yes, it has. Why? Client channels get is not a function. So apparently this is not a thing. Is this like an outdated like thinger here? Is this outdated? What's the issue, guys? Do we have any like Discord natives over here who are like, oh yeah, I know what this means? Let me just make this code a little bit smaller. Yeah, again, like I find this stuff a little comforting, Smithface. It seems like we're still relevant after all. But probably not in 5 years. 5 years is a bit optimistic. In 2 years, probably. Okay, so apparently client channels get, that's not a thing, I hear, according to Discord. Client channels cache get, but why would that be a thing? Let's do it. Let's do it. That sounds a bit sus to me, but let's go with Chat Yatharth. He hasn't steered us wrong so far. App crashed. Start again. App crashed. Okay. Yeah, no, it doesn't like that. Client channels get invalid or unexpected token. Well, it shouldn't even be doing this yet. It shouldn't even be like doing that at this stage. Like this is like way down on a conditional somewhere. So I'm just gonna like, just to make sure, we're gonna go back to basics here. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff that's apparently causing crashes. Oh, sorry, let me bring up the chat. Okay, Discord 12 plus is a big deal apparently. That's what Yatharth is saying. So I guess that's like one limitation of ChatGPT is like anything recent it doesn't deal with particularly well. Okay, so now we're woof woof and we can start sending messages again, and it'll this time it won't crash, it'll just send us a bunch of information. Now, for the life of me, I do not understand why we can't join this goddamn channel. Voice channel. Okay. Client channels fetch. Oh, that's so nice of them. I'm so glad that they went ahead and like changed it from get to fetch. That's so much more clear, and it means it's so different. It's so different and like fun that they did that, isn't it? Don't you love it when people just update like packages for absolutely no reason? Okay. Why? What does it mean invalid or unexpected token? Hang on. Is there something like weird going on with this like weird orange thing I can see here? Was it the weird orange thing that was causing? Okay. Did you see that? There was like this weird orange square in my VS Code. Why was it there? Why was that causing issues? Let's try it again. Leica. Oh, Leica. Oh, look at that. Another crash. I love that. I love that for us. We're having such a good time. Voice channel dot join. Voice channel dot join is not a function, apparently. Okay, so we're back where we were started. It seems like up till this point, we're doing fine. Okay, voice channel, we've got the voice channel. It's just that you don't dot join it, you do something else. We're gonna maybe go into the documentation here, voice-based channel, and we're gonna find out in the actual goddamn code itself. I'm gonna turn on wrap, toggle word wrap, how to actually like sort this out. It's an extract of channel, and I'm assuming channel will have a join method, you'd bloody well hope. Voice channel, I don't bloody know. Voice channel extends text-based channel mixin, god damn. Base voice channel. Surely there's just like a join function somewhere. So now this is not ChatGPT. Now we're just reading normal docs now. Constructible, text-based channel fields. Maybe it's in here. Okay, so these are some methods that it does have. You know what? You probably can't join a text-based channel though, so it'll be in the voice channel bits. Channel, voice-based channel, extra active channel. Voice channel. Type. Speakable. Okay, so this is base guild voice channel. Members, full, joinable. User limit. You know what, maybe, yeah. And you'd think that there would be this like join function here. Fetch invites, construct a guild channel maybe. Members, parent, delete. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We're just going to ask Google. We're going to go back to the old trustworthy. Okay. Well, this isn't what we want at all. No, this is a step-by-step guide. Developer. This is becoming very difficult. Send Discord.js official documentation in the channel. Okay, let's look into that, Yatharth. Let's just see, maybe Stack Overflow has it. It still does like this channel.join, although how long ago was this? This was 2018, so that's like a while ago. Okay, let's see what Yatharth has fetched up for us from the depths of the internet. Okay, so this is the official documentation. Join voice channel. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. 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 Creation, access. Connection, get connection. This should be fine. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. This looks really good. Thank you very much, Yatharth. Well, I don't know if we have made it yet. You know, things are probably still going to go very, very wrong, I would say. If voice channels, this is just checking that the voice channel actually exists. You know, we are in a voice channel. Connection equals get voice connection. Of course, we have to import that. With this get voice connection. Yeah. Yep. Hopefully that's all fine. And then connection. Ah, there we go. I see. Then we go. Then we have the connection at this stage. Yeah. So in theory, this should work. So we're getting the voice channel here. We already have the channel, and then we're getting its guild ID, and then we're connecting basically. We're connecting, forming the connection, and from the connection, we're streaming this YouTube video. Okay. Let's try it. I mean, I made it to the live stream. Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mage Josh Plays. You have made it to this glorious, glorious, error-filled live stream where everything is constantly crashing. Okay, throw error. Why? Can't find module discord.js.voice. So let's go ahead and just ask to install that, please. npm install that. Eh? Eh? We good? We good, son? Okay, now maybe it will work. Okay, good, nice. Give us a woof woof, give us a woof woof. Woof woof. Okay, sick. Now, let's try. I'm still in the general voice. General voice. Here I am. How do I open it up? Here we go. Leica. Now, it crashed. I wonder why. Okay. Got a different error this time, guys. So we're making progress. Why TDL is not defined. Okay, so that's actually really good. That means the connection is working. May I just say, congratulations, Peepa. Congratulations, Yatharth. You got us through. You got us through with that excellent documentation there. Now, of course, why TDL is not defined. So I guess we should have that somewhere. Let's see if we can ask, what the hell is YTDL even supposed to be here? Did I get rid of some really important code? I don't bloody well think so. No, I didn't at all. Okay, so yeah, let's just go back to ChatGPT and ask what that's about. Yeah, man. Constant errors are normal. Constant errors are completely normal. That's if you have no errors, then you're going too slowly, right? That's the theory, or you just know what you're doing. Okay, now this is the thing. The code up here did not actually define YTDL, which would have known if we'd spent a second reading this code. But we're just gonna ask it. Let's see if it'll just fix that for us. Exactly, different errors means we're making progress. That's very, very true. Okay, the YTDL core library, blah, 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 extracting audio tracks. Okay, so we need to install, okay, right. So we go npm install YTDL core, I assume. I'm thinking next live stream, we should actually do an AI art related live stream where we'll make a picture. We'll make an image of something, make a fun AI art image. I don't know what exactly. So if anyone can think of a fun topic for next stream, put it in the chat, and we'll hopefully have a fun topic to make an AI art thing. I was thinking maybe because at the moment Andrew Tate versus Greta Thunberg is in the news. Maybe we could make an image of Greta Thunberg punching Andrew Tate. I think that would be fun, maybe, or her in a police uniform arresting Andrew Tate. I think that could be fun. Okay, so we installed YTDL core. Or is it YLTD? And then YTDL, we're requiring it, good JavaScript users. Nodemon, let's get a woof woof. Can I get a woof woof? I can get a woof woof. Leica. Motherfunk. The app crashed. Why? What is connection? What do you mean undefined reading play? No! What is this? Nothing works. Okay, so what is this? This is a voice connection. Is there there's no, okay, so sorry, let me explain a little bit. We have this connection object. We're hoping we can play this stream just into the connection, but it's not working. So we have to work out what we should be using, if not play. We should be using something else. It's unclear what. There's some other method, stream or something. Did I just F11 it? Yeah, I did. I'm glad you guys are having fun. I'm glad you guys are laughing at my expense. Okay, so yeah, now we're in the documentation. Get voice connection. What does it return to us? It returns this voice connection object, which let's go find it. It's an interface. Great, that's fine. Interfaces are fine. On, debug, state change. Okay, but okay, so it extends a lot of things, but what? Nothing is working. Yeah, that's very correct. I'm glad you guys are all having a fun time though. We can still have fun. We can still have fun. It extends event emitter apparently, and yeah, it extends event emitter, but What else does it extend? It can't be just an event emitter. It must have other qualities other than that. God damn it! Ah! Okay. Voice connection. Rejoin? Packets? Receiver? Maybe it's one of these things. Okay, let's go back to your Tharth documentation because that's like the best thing. I don't know if we probably can't rely on ChatGPT at this stage. Okay, I'll tell ChatGPT that we got the error and let's see what it says. Maybe it'll say something helpful. So what was the error? Blah, 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 cannot read properties play. And we'll say, hey. And we're almost certainly not going to get an answer here, but maybe we'll get something here. Okay, so you can subscribe to the connection. And then, like, what do you do with the how do you play? How do you play audio? Fam, how do you play audio? You can make a connection, great. Okay. Okay, I see. So you go connection subscribe audio player instead. Okay, so this seems fine. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, we're back, guys. We're back. So apparently you don't go .play. And actually, before we try this, let's see if ChatGPT has anything interesting to say to us. No. No, it doesn't. ChatGPT is working on old documentation that is no longer relevant. So that's great. Love that. Thanks, ChatGPT. Such a legend. Subscription, if subscription, which subscription, yep. Get rid of this. Now, audio player, I'm hoping a stream is fine here. I'm hoping that we can say subscribe to the stream. And hopefully that'll be fine. Probably not. Probably not at all. What is this stream object? .play? Emit? What can it do? On, off, read, wrap, filter? I don't know. Hopefully this will just work. Subscribe to the stream, and then after 5 seconds we'll unsubscribe. I'm pretty sure it'll say something like, you can't subscribe to a stream, it's not a player. Guys, I need some suggestions here. What are we gonna do next stream? I wanna make some sort of fun art. If there's no other ideas from you guys, we're literally gonna try to make some picture of Greta Thunberg punching Andrew Tate. Or maybe just like some kind of Andrew Tate, mythology. Like Andrew Tate, Andrew Tate ruling over the world or something. Because that's like a fun, I feel like he's in the news right now. I feel like Andrew Tate's like a fun guy. Okay, now. Leica. Nothing. Crashed. Come on, guys. Cannot read properties of undefined. Are you shiting me right now? Bro, you're telling me that there is no connection here? Guys, what the hell is going on? What is going on here? This is, okay, so apparently connection isn't a thing. If we console.log connection, we should get undefined at this stage, okay? And we'll get rid of the rest of this code because apparently this is where the errors happen. Uncomment. Woof woof. Can I get a woof woof? Got a woof woof. Leica. Boom. Undefined. Okay, great. Get voice connection returns undefined, apparently. What? that's pretty good. He's trying to swim to a boat, and Greta Thunberg is driving away. I mean, who is Andrew Tate? Who is Andrew Tate? No, alter ego. You're way too online for this. Next stream, attach to Git and update all the time, so that the audience can look at the code and do a better job of. Oh, attach to Git and update all the time. I think it'll be just as slow. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I see. So that other people can actually write code as well. That is an excellent idea, Stacey Kelly. That is a magnificent idea. I will do that. There is no connection here, apparently. But that's actually a really good idea, Stacey. That's smarty pants. Okay. So for some reason there's no connection, which is like, that's great. It's not even like an error or something like that. It's literally just undefined. So, okay. So let's just take stock here. Let's take stock of this stream for a second. The objective of this stream was to build a Discord bot using ChatGPT. And we ran into an issue immediately. And the issue was that the documentation and the code for Discord has recently been updated, and ChatGPT has no knowledge of it. As a consequence, ChatGPT can't help us at all. And now we're back down to normal coding, which I haven't done in a while. And I now realize just how annoying coding without ChatGPT actually is, while also streaming. So that's been difficult. We're going to give it one more shot. We're going to give it one more go at getting this to work. And if it doesn't work, we're going to call it a day. And next week, we'll have a stream where we actually make some AI art, which will be fun. Alter Ego is too interested in the AI and not interested in human soap operas. Look, that's fair enough. Human soap operas, they're a bit silly. But they are fun. They are fun to watch. Andrew Tate is he's a funny man. He says funny things. I think he got arrested recently, something like that. So we have to work out why the connection is not giving us anything. Okay, let's try this. Because apparently maybe this join voice channel function will give us what we want. This does seem like it's up to date, right? It does look like we're looking at up-to-date code right now. Maybe this get voice connection is just supposed to be used in a different way, in a strange other way that we're not really sure what it is, and that's the issue. Voice channel. And at least now we should have a connection. At least hopefully the connection isn't null now. Okay, and then connection subscribe. But actually maybe connection play will actually work now, because the whole issue before was that the connection was like void, right? That was the issue. So maybe connection.play will work. I highly doubt it. Hey! I did listen to a bunch of your tips. It's just that I didn't want to go out and like buy some huge setup when I've literally made $0 and will continue to make $0 for years to come. When I get some money, I'll revisit it. I did do your tips. Look, I've got this light. That's number one light. I've got the other light. I've got a third light in the background. I've also got a window. I listened to your stuff, okay? Anyway, Leica says woof woof, and together let us pray. Let us pray, stream, for the success of our mission here. Let us pray to the gods of Discord to be lenient upon us and guide us through these trying times. Ah! Fuck. Oh, I can't swear. Ah, balls. Well, nothing happened. And we know what that means. Leica bot's here. Wait, they're deafened? They're not muted. That's something. Apparently Likabot is in chat. That's something. But we got an error. We got an error. We crashed. Why did we crash? Because connection.play is not a function. Although at least we did get the connection. Hey, you know, this isn't actually as bad. We got Likabot to join. That's something. That's actually something. I'm gonna close this. Likabot's still in there. We got something. And actually, maybe if we just try the subscription thing instead of the connection.play, maybe, we'll actually get that juicy Rickroll that we're looking for. Like it did enter the voice chat. So that is a ray of hope. And I'm sure this isn't going to work, but... bad news. What happened? Why? Player subscribe is not a function. So this is an error that's occurring inside of here somewhere. We're so close. We're so close, guys. We are so close. Because Likabot is in the chat. Likabot is literally in the chat. I'm gonna try one more time. I have to. Okay, so how to play voice. This is the official documentation. No, this is not. This is ChatGPT. This is the official documentation. And it says you have to do this audio player thing. But I need an actual example. That's what I need. Okay, so I'm going to say Discord.js voice, so that Google knows what we want. Discord.js voice. It keeps crashing because you're not wearing one of my hats. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's what it is. That's actually, you make a really good point there. Create audio resource. Okay, so maybe this is what we need. Create audio resource. Create audio player. Okay. I mean, that looks pretty reasonable. So that looks pretty good, okay? This code seems like what we want. Now, I don't know how to create an audio resource from like a YouTube thing, so I'm just gonna illegally download this. I think we got this. We only got 8 minutes, but I think we got this. So here we go. This YouTube thing here. I'm gonna turn this into an MP4. We're gonna download it. We're gonna chuck it on our computer. Highest quality only. Download. What do you mean? Screw you! What the hell? That has never happened to me in my life, that a YouTube converter, at the most intense moment, that the YouTube converter fails. Download. Download, you son of a bitch. MP3. Yeah, okay, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. You thought YouTube to MP3. That's a good idea. Okay. Convert. Let's do this. And then we just need to chuck this code in here. So the code here, no, not that. Okay. Yeah, so create audio resource, player play resource, and all we have to do is connection subscribe player. That's all we need. That's literally all we need. And then we'll unsubscribe 5 seconds afterwards. Yep, player. I have really high hopes for this, guys. I have really high hopes. My hopes are so high for this. Okay, now we just need to put this in the right place. So go to our downloads. Ignore all the porn, ignore all the porn, ignore all the porn. No, this is the MP4. Where's the MP3? I downloaded an MP3, didn't I? Where's my MP3, guys? Download. MP3, where is it? Show in folder. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna rename this. Rick, MP3. Cut. Oh. Rick. Cut. GitHub. Oh, ignore all the porn, ignore all the porn, ignore all the porn. Discord bot. Chuck it here. Rick.mp3. And it should hopefully it should hopefully just like be here. And hopefully we won't need to like, you know, scoot around and it'll actually find it. Now the thing is, where is this create audio resource? Because that function will come from somewhere in the documentation. Oh God, where was I? Where was I? Don't do this to me. Create audio resource. This is something you have to import. I'm assuming, right? It'll be here, right? Create audio resource. You'll have to import it from like here. And I really, really hope that this is like, this is an actual function. Yes, it is. Okay, sick. Okay. Hat. Wait, here we go. Okay, we've got the hat. Hat acquired. And hopefully that was really the missing ingredient. In your audio, that's video. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for pointing that out. Okay. So, everything looks like it's fine. Create audio resource. 5 minutes. Actually, we have a little bit of time. So I'm just gonna get this code working. Just this code. On ready, woof woof, and create audio resource. And if it doesn't crash, then we'll know that that code at least is working. So we're literally just running this code right now. Okay. Node mon. Woof woof. Can I get a woof woof? God damn it. The hat was within reach. It was just behind me. I just knocked it over earlier. I can't get a woof woof. Why am I not getting a woof woof? Why is there no mother fruiting woof woof here? Comment this out. Can I get a woof woof? Why don't I get a woof woof? Leica. What has happened to you, Leica? Maybe it's because I'm not logging in. Okay. Client log in. Maybe that's what we need. Can I get a woof woof? Woof woof. Okay, so you need the woof woof. That's really important. Okay, uncomment, save, reload. Can I get a woof woof? Ah, the app crashed. Why did the app crash? Player is not defined. Oh, yeah, okay, that's fine. Because, wait, maybe it isn't fine. Where's the player? Okay, because we actually need to create an audio player as well. There we go. Okay, really, really glad we did that little bit of homework, hey? So, player. Yep, create audio player, and we just add that in up here. God, 4 minutes. This is actually what he's actually surrounded by hats. Yeah. Everything outside of the screen is just hats. You guys haven't even begun to see the beginning of my hat collection. I have so many goddamn streamer hats, guys. You wouldn't even believe, your eyes would, it'd be like the Ark of the Covenant. If you saw how many hats and how varied and colorful they were, your head would explode. It would happen. Okay. App crashed. Node mon. Can I get a woof woof? Got a woof woof and then immediately crashed again. What's the issue? On subscriber, no subscriber behavior is not defined. It literally is. Oh, okay, so there's this thing called no subscriber behavior. And we have to put this no subscriber behavior there. Okay. You have to import that as well. Right? Yeah, this is from discordvoice.js. Okay. Restarting. Woof woof. Okay, that's really good because it means that everything's working and the player was created and the resource was created and it was all done. So cut this out. We just want the plain woof woof now. Uncomment all of this craft. Yes. Okay, guys. 3 minutes. Woof woof. We got a woof woof. Now is the time. By the power of this hat, you shall work. Fruitcake. Ah, no. Come on, guys. Wait. It says Rickrolling. I just can't hear anything. Is it Rickrolling? It didn't crash. It didn't crash at all. Why does it say Rickrolling? Where does it say Rickrolling? Oh, it says Rickrolling up there. So there was no crash. That's really good news. Likabot is in the chat. It's just not making any noise. Maybe, what? Like maybe, does it not have permission to make noise or something? I've only got 1 minute left, guys. I'm afraid that we haven't completed our objective, unfortunately. Yeah. So all I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna play the riff. This is what it would have sounded like. And thanks very much for joining the stream. It's been a lot of fun. Next week we're gonna make some fun art of some kind. So stick around for that, guys. And yeah. hopefully ChatGPT will be more compliant next time.